Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fill out the USC form I-751 petition to remove conditions in residence. But before that, you're going to make sure that you are downloading the correct or the updated form. As you can see here on the top, it says expires March 31st, 2027. So let's start. Information about you, the conditional residence. It is gonna be me. It's my last name and my name and my middle name. And then I'm gonna put here, so it says other names used. So I'm just gonna enter my single name since I'm using my husband's last name. And then my name and my middle name. Strada. And here, I'm just gonna put NA because I don't have any. I only have one. And then other information. So this is gonna be my date of birth, September 20, 1990. And then here, country, it's Philippines. Philippines. Citizenship, same thing. Philippines. And then here, alien number. So, and then I also have a social security number, so I'm just gonna enter it here. And I also have a USCIS online account number. This is very beneficial because if you're going to fill out or submit a form and then you have a USCIS online account, they're just going, you can see the updated information on your account. So this is really cool. Okay. And then of course marital status, it's gonna be married. Date of birth, date of marriage 05/25/2022. Then place of marriage, I'm just gonna enter the city and the address, green. And then it says here a number 13, if the marriage through which you gain conditional residence has ended, provided date it ended. So no, it's not ended yet. Just kidding. Okay, so conditional residence expires. So that's gonna be 03/10/2025. And then information about you, the conditional residence. So it's gonna be me, my mailing address, and then city, and then state. Okay, just a little bit tricky. And then the number 16 is your physical address, different than your mailing. So no, they're the same. If you answer yes, then you're going to fill out the other address over here. So they're the same. And then here, additional information about you. Are you in removal, deportation, or recession proceedings? No. Was a fee paid to anyone than an attorney? No. Have you ever been arrested? No. So if you answer yes to item number 20, you're going to provide a detailed information in part 11. So just be reminded. And then if you are married, is this different marriage than the one through which you gain conditional residence status? No. Have you resided at any addresses? No. Address. And then it says here, if you answered yes to item number 22, provide a list. So it's up to you. We're different. So mine is just no. Okay, is your spouse or parents spouse currently serving with the or employed by the US government? No. And then here your biographic information. So I'm Asian, of course. So it's gonna be number 3 is your height. I'm just gonna in my dreams. And then 0, 0, 1, 4, 0. And then of course it's black and black. And then, well, if you're not Asian, so you're going to pick your eye color and hair color. Next page is basis for petition. So for I'm gonna answer number 1A, my spouse. Or if below is applicable to you, you're going to read this thing here, and if it resonates to you, you're going to check the box. So mine is just my spouse. And then part number 4, information about the U.S. citizen or the lawful permanent resident spouse. Okay, so it's gonna be spouse. That's my spouse. And then here is his last name and a middle name and then date of birth 20. And also he's got his social security number, so I'm just gonna enter. And he does not have an alien number because he's a US citizen. And here's the address 105, same address with mine, cross city, zip code. And by the way, this information are I just generate this in my mind, so nothing will be published publicly. Nothing private information will be published. Zip code 568. Country United States of America. Okay, so part number 5 or part 5 is information about your children. We don't have children. Oh, we don't have children, so I'm just gonna put an A on the very first line of the question. Copy. But if you have children, so you're going to read this because this is important. And then here, physical address. Sorry, why is it like that? And here, physical address and a children number child. Oh God, this is killing me. Child number 2, physical address. So as you can see, I'm just putting NA, but it's up to you. You can put NA in every blank spaces that you're not going to answer. But this is just how I fill out mine. And it's already been submitted. So I already received the notice of action and some other stuff. So I know it works so far on my end. So this is how I fill out the form. So as I've mentioned, if you have kids or if you have children, you are going to fill this out, all of them, all of it. And then part 5 and child number 5, physical address. And part 6, accommodations for individuals with disability and or impairment. So if you have or if you are having some disabilities, you are going to read 1 to 3 and then you click yes, whichever situation resonates to you. For me, I'm just gonna say no, no, and no. And then also, if you answer yes to any number, you're going to provide it here. So just read and then just follow the instruction. And then part 7, petitioner's statement, contact information, acknowledgement of appointment at USCIS Application Support Center, certification, and signature. So this is for me. Petitioner's statement. I can read. Yes, I can. And if you need an interpreter, then you go here. Or if you requested services, you click here. And then petitioner's number, okay, the time, then email address. It is also beneficial if you're going to enter your email address because they're going to let you know on your email. If not on your phone number. In my case, I receive a notification on my phone number that they already received my application and they are processing it. So here you're going to type in your name, your full name. So you can see that so you type in your full name in the blank space. So I'm using a Chrome, I believe. to open the PDF, so I am not able to do anything on the box. But yeah, when you print this out, you're going to fill in your name here. And then over here, part 7, petitioners, is the continuation. You're going to sign here, and then the date when you sign it. And then part 8, spouse or individual listed in part 4, statement and contact information, acknowledgement of appointment, USCIS application center certification and signature. This is for your husband or for your spouse. It says if applicable. If not, then you skip it. So here I'm just gonna say I can read that it's for my husband, but if he cannot, if yours is cannot, then you are going to read this and just follow. And then the number and email address, gmail.com. And then here is, okay, so again, when you're going to print this out, you're going to fill in this box. You fill in his full name, and then you're going to have him sign it if you are the one who's preparing or if he's the one preparing. So you do the same. And then over here is his signature and then the date. And then if you have an interpreter, you do the part 9. We do not. So I'm just going to put NA in the first line, and then NA on the interpreter's mailing address, and also NA on the contact information. And over here, I'm just going to put NA as well. And also over here, preparer's mailing address. And then over here as well, preparer's full name. If you prepare yourself, so you don't have to write it. This is for like if you have somebody to do it for you. So that's how you do it, like how you fill it out. Number 10 is the preparer's signature. So of course we don't have that, so just put NA. And then additional information. So this is the part 11 additional information. So you're going to enter your name here if you need. Let's say for example you have 6 kids. So over here it only give you child number 5. So if you have 6 kids, you're going to enter the number here, the page number, part number, item number, and then you're going to fill this out. Same. That's how you are going to fill out. You just have to read and follow the so this is how you fill out the form I-751 petition to remove conditions and residence. Pretty easy. You just have to read and answer the questions and provide what is needed. So if you find this helpful, please click like and subscribe for new tutorials about USCIS forms application. Thank you for watching.